Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel KANYA Art and Craft. This is Priya and today I'm going to share a few DIYs home decor ideas as I'm going to renovate few of my old furnitures. So without further ado, let's get started. This table have a story. As much I remember that I made this table I think 8 or 9 years back. I had few plywoods lying around and I wanted to use it somewhere. Starting from cutting the plywoods in the accurate sizes, pasting them together and then fix some nails to stick the plywoods together. I have done it all. I was so happy and surprised that I could mail a whole furniture on my own and that was my first DIY project. तब मैं shoot तो नहीं कर पाई थी पर memories अभी भी जिंदा है. But now when we shifted to a new house, I wanted to give it a new look. So here we go. तो मैंने क्या किया to elevate the look of this table? I attached 4 legs जो मैंने Amazon से purchase किया हुआ था. I will share the link of those legs in the description box below. These legs are available in different colors and different sizes. तो मैंने जो लिया था that was a natural wood color because I wanted to paint the whole furniture. As you have seen, I have used a sandpaper to even out the corners. I had this piece of plywood जो किसी भी साइड से यहाँ पे फिक्स नहीं हो रहा था. Somehow I have managed to cover the back side so that it looks good visually. I'm using few small nails to attach the piece of plywood. Now I'm cleaning the table before we start with the painting part. First I'm using this primer. One primer coat is very important. After that we can start with the original paint. I'm wearing a gloves and using a flat brush to paint the whole furniture. I'm using white primer क्योंकि white primer के ऊपर कोई भी color निखर के आता है. Now I'm using this flat brush to apply this white primer everywhere. ओके सो लेग्स फिटिंग करने के जो प्रोसीजर्स है वो मैंने स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस में वीडियो में दिखा दिया है बिकॉज दिस वाज माय फर्स्ट टाइम सो आई डोंट वांट टू टेक एनी रिस्क. आई टुक हेल्प फ्रॉम अ कारपेंटर टू फिक्स दोज लेग्स. बट जब उन्होंने फिक्स कर दिया तब मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि इंस्टॉलेशन ऑफ दिस लेग्स वाज क्वाइट ईजी. कोई भी कर सकता है. आई एम डेफिनेटली गोना ट्राई ऑन माई ओन नेक्स्ट टाइम. आई हैव कवर्ड द टेबल विद 2 layers of primer. Now I'll start with the paint. I'm planning to use the steel blue color but I'm also mixing the steel blue with chalk paint so that I get a matte kind of finish. I'll be adding little bit of white to lighten up the shade. Mixing these 3 colors together. Now I'm applying the steel blue color on the inner part of the furniture. I have applied 2 layers to get the exact shade. This is how the paint look after the first layer. And after that I have applied another layer of the same shade. Applying white color on both the sides. Again जैसे मैंने पहले ही कहा है we need to apply 2 layers to get the exact shade. तो मैंने यहाँ पे भी 2 लेयर डाला हुआ है दोनों साइड पे. तो मैंने यहाँ पे किया एक मिस्टेक. उसी की भरपाई की अरेंजमेंट चल रही है. मैंने टेबल पे स्टिकर लगा दिया. And when I was doing that, I fixed the angle of the camera and everything, but I forgot to switch on the recording mode. क्या ही कर सकते हैं. सो मैं वही प्रोसेस आपको रिपीट करके दिखा रही हूँ कि कैसे स्टिक करना होता है. आई एम श्योर मोस्ट ऑफ यू नो द प्रोसेस बट फॉर दोज हु डजंट नो हाउ टू स्टिक दिस काइंड ऑफ स्टिकर और वॉलपेपर आई थॉट ऑफ शेयरिंग द प्रोसेस वंस अगेन. सो अगर कोई भी ऐसा हो जिसको नहीं पता दे कैन गेट एन आइडिया हाउ टू फिक्स दिस काइंड ऑफ स्टिकर ऑन टेबल और एनी काइंड ऑफ सर्फेस. Okay, now let's do something on the side so that I can call it as a accent side table. प्लान तो कुछ और ही था पर मुझे पता नहीं कि मैं लास्ट में जाके वही geometrical pattern में अटक जाती हूँ. Yes, I'm repeating triangles to make a pattern. For that I need to draw a lot of line maintaining equal distance. You can take your own measurement according to your furniture size. Original plan was to stick a geometrical pattern wallpaper जो मैंने बहुत ढूंढा और मुझे नहीं मिला. और जो मिला that was too expensive. To be very frank, I did not spend a single penny for this project other than those legs and the wallpaper. It was already there with me because I have used this sticker somewhere else. So जो मेरे पास बचा हुआ था तो मैंने इसमें use किया. As you can see, I have already started painting those triangles. I'm using black color to paint these triangles. I have shared quite a few interesting decor DIY ideas in this video. If you like watching the process and the ideas, please leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, share with your friends, and please click the bell icon to get notification of our upcoming projects. I'm including a small video of before and after makeover. This is the final look of the side table. Just look at how small modifications in structure and color may create a significant difference in the overall aesthetic of the furniture. I am overjoyed with how beautifully the final product turned out. What do you think? Let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Moving to our next project, I had a piece of plywood that was thrown and I grabbed it from the trash. I took help from a carpenter's shop to cut the plywood piece to my desired size. I have kept 15-inch length for all the planks. Size you can decide according to your requirement and the piece of plywood that you have at home. Here I'm using a sandpaper to even out the corners and the surface as well. I'm just checking how to fix the planks together. To fix this, I'm going to use this nails, Fevicol SH and masking tape. Before punching nails on the corners, we need to apply this Fevicol SH on all the corners and stick them together. I even checked on Amazon before making this DIY wall shelf. Trust me or not, the price were way too high. Plus आपको अपने size के हिसाब से मिलेंगे भी नहीं. And the prices were completely out of my budget range. Then I got an idea of making this kind of wall shelf at home. I'm applying masking tape in this way so that it can hold the plywood. I could have taken help from a carpenter because that is the easiest way to get things done. But the thing is that I want to make it on my own because अगर carpenter से भी बनाना होता है ना तो उसके लिए भी like you have to spend a lot. I'll use a hammer to punch these nails. Here I've taken 4-inch nails so that it can hold both the plank together. And our square wall shelves are ready. I made 2 of this following the same process and measurement. Now I'm using this flat brush to apply primer on the wall shelf. As I have already mentioned, I'm going to apply 2 layers of primer on each shelf and then let it dry for some time. I will be providing links of all the products that I used for all these DIY projects in the description box below. Now I'm using this high gloss white color enamel paint to paint both the shelves. I have applied 2 layers of the same shade on both the shelves. I have attached these hooks on the backside of the shelf to hang it on the wall. I have used these nails along with these hooks to make a hanging arrangement on the backside of the shelf. I have already installed the shelf on the wall and this is how our DIY handmade wall shelf looks like. Can you believe these wall shelves are completely from trash? तो आप भी ऐसे आपके घर के बचे कुछ प्लाईवुड के टुकड़े से ऐसे बहुत कुछ डेकोरेटिव चीज़ें बना सकते हो. और अगर आपको इस वीडियो से कुछ भी आइडियाज़ मिले then please do drop a message in the comment section below. Moving to our next project where I'm going to make something out of nothing. As you can see, I have taken a cardboard box where I'm folding the front flaps towards inside. उससे box को strength भी मिल जाती है. Here I'm using this bamboo mat. I bought this from a local store. The price was very less, I think around 150 to 200. I folded the mat so that I could take measurement. Now cutting the mat using a scissor. Applying hot glue gun on the edges and now sticking the mat like this. I have attached a small piece of mat in the middle portion where you can see the gap. ये DIY आप किसी भी size के cardboard box के साथ कर सकते हो. And trust me, you will be amazed by the final look of the box. Adding hot glue on the top part to stick the mat on the top as well. Cutting extra edges. अभी ये box कुछ ऐसा दिख रहा है. Here I'm using a jute rope and a white lace which I teared from an old tablecloth. At this point, if you want to add some fabric inside the box, you can definitely do that. But I'm not doing that because I'm gonna use this box as a toy box. और जहाँ पे मैं इसको प्लेस करने का सोच रही हूँ वहाँ पे रखने के बाद बॉक्स का अंदर वाला पार्ट ज़्यादा विजिबल भी नहीं होगा. I would even suggest you to add a fabric that will definitely enhance the look of the box. I'm wrapping the jute rope around the box in this way using hot glue gun for sticking them. I have also secured the bottom part of the cardboard box. Now I'm going to use this lace. It's a plastic lace which I actually teared from a dining table cloth. Here I'm again using this hot glue gun to paste the lace. I'm not adding the lace on the back side because I just had a small bit of it and I don't want to waste it because I have a plan of using it on some other projects as well. और अभी जो देख रहे हो वो है ये बॉक्स बनाने का एक्चुअल पर्पस। मैंने ये भी अमेजन में चेक किया था। देयर इज नो बॉक्स अवेलेबल अकॉर्डिंग टू माई रिक्वायर्ड साइज एंड द प्राइसेस ऑफ दोज जूट एंड केन बास्केट विच आर अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन आर टू हाई। सो फ्रॉम देयर आई गॉट एन इंस्पिरेशन दैट आई वांट टू मेक समथिंग which will look similar to the original jute and cane basket. As you can see, it is looking quite similar, aesthetically pleasing, and it is going well with my existing furniture. And as you can see, I have made two of these boxes. एक में मैंने रोप एंड लेस से डेकोरेट किया हुआ है और दूसरे वाले में आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस फैब्रिक. आई एम नॉट स्टिचिंग द एजेस, जस्ट यूजिंग ग्लू गन टू seal the edges like this. If you want, you can use your sewing machine to stitch the corners or the edges. Now I'm placing the fabric on the box and I'll stick the fabric using glue gun. And my two different design boxes are ready. मूविंग टू आवर लास्ट प्रोजेक्ट. अभी आप जो देख रहे हो ये एक बहुत पुराना टेबल है जो आई थिंक 12 to 13 years old. एंड बहुत टाइम से मैं सोच रही थी आई नीड टू गिव अ मेक ओवर टू दिस टेबल, अदरवाइज आई हैव टू डिस्कार्ड इट. एक बार तो मैंने ये सोच भी लिया था कि ये टेबल किसी काम पे तो आने वाला है नहीं, सो लेट्स डिस्कार्ड. पर मुझे तब नहीं पता था कि दिस टेबल कैन टर्न आउट टू बी क्वाइट अट्रैक्टिव आफ्टर रिनोवेशन. सो लेट्स वॉच द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिनोवेटिंग दिस 13 years old table. So far you have seen that I have disassembled the table and started applying primer and paint to the table legs. I have cleaned all the parts of the table using cleaning solution and then started with the painting part. After primer on the legs, I'm letting it dry for some time and then applying 2 layers of white color to get the exact shade. Here I have taken thick sticker wallpaper in white color matte finish. Sticking part is little tricky. First you need to set the alignment and then slowly you can remove the sticker from the back side and use a cotton cloth or anything which you can use to press the paper towards the surface. I will be providing the link of this sticker wallpaper, cutting the extra paper using a paper cutter. My experience with this product is very good because of its thickness and it can stick to any surface easily. Now that all of the table elements are finished and ready, it's time to put them together. I have applied white color on the sides of the shelves to match the color and this is how it looks. Isn't it looking amazing? और जो 2 बॉक्स मैंने कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्स से बनाया था, I'm gonna put one of the box in the bottom shelf like this. And this is the ultimate appearance of the product. I am in love with this transformation. If you really enjoyed watching this budget-friendly decor DIYs, then do leave a comment in the comment section below and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Do press the bell icon to get a notification of our upcoming projects. And if you're really interested to watch more such videos, then please do mention that in your comment. Thank you. Bye-bye.